We're going to Banyas, our first training of today. She just started jiu-jitsu a couple months ago. She's from Brazil. So that's the beauty about jiu-jitsu, right? We have all the nationalities. You know, belt level is a thing. So, and of course she's a higher belt than me, and she's also doing jiu-jitsu. So of course, if we fight right now, I'm not sure if I'll have the chance. We came to the end of the training, and I just wanted to tell you that this is where I call home, this is where I call family. This is Hanu, and this is Manu. This is Maria. And finally, Asma. Asma also representing UAE national team. We've been training since 4 years now. I learned a lot of techniques from her, and today we're training at Banyas now.
آسيا من البنات صراحة اللي عرفتهم من الوايت بيلت، وما شاء الله عليها دوم تحاول تتعلم أشياء جديدة وتطبق هالأشياء الجديدة يعني في التمرين. واللي أحبه فيها أن دوم تسأل، ما تكتفي بالحركات اللي هي عندها، بالعكس دوم تحب تتعلم أشياء جديدة.
The more I think that people are coming to training and they're getting better than me, this is the fire that pushes me to go back to training, because I'm training for my black belt. I really want that black belt.